Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Libra for the second week of the August. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID which is already there in the description. Okay, and there is also a website, you guys can contact me through that. So Libra, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some final advice. Okay. In the recent past, we have the Ace of Swords, Two of Wands, Ace of Cups. In the present situation, we have the Eight of Cups. There is Knight of Pentacles, Page of Wands. In the near future, we have Three of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords. The challenge for the week, Libra, is the Lovers. Okay, here the challenge for the week is to do with the Lovers energy. So there is a significant other could be coming your way in the second week of the August, Libra. This is the person who, it's like who you are physically attracted to. You don't know, this person will be so attractive to you. I do feel like it will be like a love at first sight for many of you. For some of you, it could be from a person from the past could be coming your way in the second week of the August. So whatever it is, there is a lot of stability in this relationship. There's a lot of stability. There is a lot of love. There is a strong bonding you're going to build with this person in the second week of the August. So you have to be very quick enough to identify such person. That person is coming your way. I'm gonna clarify what is the energy related to the reading. In the recent past, there is Ace of Swords, there is Two of Wands, Ace of Cups. In the recent past, there was a new love, Libra, in your life. Many of you were so clear about it. With the Ace of Swords, definitely everything was clear. The situation was very clear between you and the other person in the recent past. Many of you, I do see you guys are deciding about that new connection in the recent past. I'm going to clarify. In the present, we have Eight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Someone is coming your way in the present situation, could be a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. This person was the one who rejected you and moved on in the past. This person actually in the past rejected your connection and decided to withdraw from you and move on. But here this person again appearing because they want to start a connection with you. They want to start a relationship with you. In the recent future, there is a Three of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords. Okay, there is a happy, there is a heartbreak situation together with it, Libra. Okay, I do feel this is someone from the past with whom you actually there was a breakdown situation happened. There is something to deal with. That type of person could be coming your way in the future because they do want to have a family with you. They do want to have happiness with you. They do want to live with you, Libra. This person is coming your way in order to compromise for what they did in the past and actually meet up with you and clarify the situation with you because they no longer want to withdraw. They're like moving towards you. That's what I see here, Libra. This person is moving towards you in order to get you back. Okay, I'm gonna clarify first the challenge for the week, the Lovers. Who is the significant other person is coming your way in this week, Libra? Could be a Gemini. It's always a best match. Okay, the Lovers is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, the Hangman, King of Pentacles. Yes, this person is here in order to offer you an emotional connection. This is not such a small connection, Libra. This is someone who is ready to offer you something big. This is not something small. I do want to say this is not something small. Could be an elderly person. This person could be elder than you. Could be, yes, it could be your husband or could be the one you were already in relationship with. Whoever it is, a strong personality or the one who is able to take some major decisions in your life too. Okay, Yes, this person is ready to work out with you. This person is ready to work out a situation with you. This person is ready to give 100% in this connection, but you're the one who is stuck in hangman position. I do feel this is your energy, Libra. You don't know, you're so confused in the present situation what to have to do, or many of you are actually not even considering the option for 80% also. It's like you're too much detached from this person already. Maybe you are not willing to actually think about it, think about accepting the proposals from this person. I'm gonna clarify why is it happening for you. There's a challenge. You have to come out of your head, come out of your thinking situation, and actually you have to take some action towards this person. Whoever coming your way, that's kind of a genuine person. I do want to say it, that person really want to work out with you. Okay, in the recent past, there's the Ace of Swords, Two of Wands, Ace of Cups. Okay, I'm gonna clarify first the Ace of Cups in the recent past. For many of you in the recent past, there was a new love connection in your life. Many of you were actually, I see you guys were deciding about it. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Wands, the World, Eight of Swords. I guess the situation in the past didn't grow up with the Ace of Cups. Many of you had some communication with that person, or that person was having some communication in order to get clarified, in order to bring everything aligned to one situation, or in order to get some clarity. This person actually had some conversation with you. That's what I see here. But the situation didn't grow well, or there was ending happened. Though there was a new beginning, there were chances of a new beginning with a person, but for many of you, there was an end of a relationship happen because of you, maybe because you didn't know what to do, what should I have to do with this opportunity, what should I have to because I do feel because of you, or after ending a connection with that person, you actually became like this, like an Eight of Swords, couldn't take any decision. Maybe you had to be active in that connection. It wasn't there, your activeness wasn't there. For many of you, I do feel you missed this opportunity with this person in the recent past because you got some clarity about it. I'm gonna clarify the Ace of Swords in the recent past. There was some clarity you got about this person. Many of you actually resisted to really take action about it. Ace of Swords is clarified by the Moon, Seven of Pentacles, the Justice. Many of you, I do feel this is the one from the past connection. This is your past. However, what happened was you really didn't get any information, or you felt that person is hiding something from you. You really felt you do not know anything much about the person, or someone was hiding in the past. That's what I feel here. With the Seven of Pentacles, you invested a lot in that relationship. You invested a lot. It means you really genuinely was invested in that connection. You genuinely thought that this person is forever mine, or this relationship is the one I can rely on. You genuinely believed in that person, but that person was hiding something from you. You just got to know, and many of you, the relationship was ended in the past. It could be a divorce. For many of you, divorce was there in the recent past. You just decided to separate from that person in the recent past. Okay. In the present, there is the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, is a Page of Wands. I do feel Knight of Pentacles is your person's energy. I'm going to clarify why is this person here. This could be someone who dejected or withdrew themselves from you, or moved away from you in the past. Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Judgment, Five of Cups, Five of Swords. Yes, this person is here to bring up some arguments. Okay, bring up some argument here, Libra, because whatever happened in the past, this person is regretting. Actually, this person is missing. Okay, this person is actually missing you. This person is actually looking towards the past and looking at what they missed in their life. This person is not ready to accept the truth. This person is not ready to realize the truth because they do want to have some fight with you. They do want to have some compromisation. It's like this person is here compromising, realizing in the present situation that yes, I do want Libra, I do want to be with this person. This person is actually compromising because this person is actually regretting, but you're the one who is not ready to give up. You're the one who is like still standing for yourself, standing for what you believe in. Actually, you're the one, Libra, who is like not compromising with this. There's something in your head going on about this person. You're not ready to compromise. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify the Eight of Cups. why did this person go away from you, or what was the reason this person could be presently this person is moving away, I don't know. Eight of Cups is clarified with the Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups. Whoever coming your way, Libra, this person is actually from your past, with whom you do have very good memories, with whom you do have emotional bonding. Still there is emotional bondings, but you're not ready to express it. That's what happening. This person is actually offering a new love, actually offering a genuine love here with the Knight of Cups. Definitely this person is actually dreaming about you, being too genuine, being ready to get into in relationship with you, like forgetting everything whatever happened in the past. It's okay, I'm back to you, Libra. That's what I'm seeing here. This person is here offering some genuine love connection for you, Libra. I do feel there is a chances of you guys are moving towards thinking about actually taking a journey with this person in the present situation. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Three of Pentacles, the Lovers, yes, the Fool. Many of you, I do feel you guys are jumping into this person in the present situation. I do see that you guys are working out with this person and actually bringing together, coming together, growing up very strong. The bond is growing very strong. That's what I see here, Libra. It's like you guys are sharing everything with this person and taking risk. Actually, many of you are taking risk and jumping into this connection in the present situation. That's what I see here. Many of you could be a new love, or could be a person with you. I mean, you know this person from the past. Maybe at that time there was no emotional connection. Could be this emotional connection is arising now. Maybe that time the emotional connection wasn't strong, but now you do feel you have grown up very well together. There is a strong bond already. Okay, in the future there is a Three of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Swords. Someone is drastically moving towards you, Libra. I'm gonna or it's like you are drastically moving towards something. Before that, I'm gonna clarify the Three of Swords in the recent future. Something to deal with the heartbreak situation here. Three of Swords is clarified by the Two of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles. Okay, you're finally coming out of, for some of you in the recent future, this is something related to a person with whom you actually broke down, or with whom the relationship got ended in the past. Something to deal with such type of person in the recent future. Okay, you're finally getting an opportunity to come out of a depression situation from that connection. Yes, this person broke your heart, you really felt very bad, or this person used you, or whatever the situation, the relationship got broke up with the other half, but you really thought you were so connected to that person. But it's a really painful situation for many of you in the recent future. You're getting an opportunity in order to, many of you are actually concentrating on your career, or concentrating in your job, concentrating in your financial situation. That's what I see here, Libra. Many of you are actually withdrawing from an emotional connection and actually moving towards it, working towards this. Ten of Pentacles is usually this one we don't get usually that easily if you really don't put any effort in it. Many of you are actually concentrating on the Ten of Pentacles on the career. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Pentacles in the near future. Working very hard, struggling very hard in order to set up your career. That's what I see here. The Ten of Pentacles is clarified the Page of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Death. Yes, it's very clear reading for you, Libra. Many of you are actually disconnecting from a person in the future which is no longer serving you, which is like a more rather than a painful situation. That's why you guys are actually ending an emotional connection, and finally you're being single and starting a single life. Working on yourself, just growing your pentacles. It means growing up your coins, growing your career. That's what I see here. Working very hard in order to have growth in yourself. Definitely the ending of an emotional connection with someone is bringing you confidence in order to work on yourself. Many of you, I'm going to clarify the Six of Swords, moving away. I do feel many of you are disconnecting from a person in the recent future. The Six of Swords is clarified the Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, the Strength. You could be dealing with a Leo here, but I do not feel that this is a Leo. I do feel you are becoming emotionally strong person. You have become evolving, Libra. That's what I see here. Many of you are evolving from an emotional connection which was not solving. serving you. Many of you are getting an opportunity, could be for a new job opportunity coming your way. There's a new job opportunity in order to secure your future. Many of you are actually ending the painful situation. You were going through a lot hell of painful situation. I do know that, Libra. Finally, there is an ending happening for many of you, getting an opportunity in order to secure your job. You're becoming so strong. You are, as a human being, you're becoming so strong. Your heart is at a strong position. You are ready to just dig your future in the future, dig your for the future. That's what I see here, Libra, becoming very strong. Very great. So advice here for Libra is step out of your comfort zone. All these days, many of you could be healing yourself, just suffering through pain, observing pain. But here it's asking you to, it is difficult for many of you to come out of your head from a situation, but you have to do it. Though it's a very difficult task, in order to have some secured future for many of you, you have to do it. That's what I see here for Libra people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.